Okay guys, so I just got this package from a viewer. Okay, he has sent me an unused part for an E39 that he once upon a time owned and has since sold. So I'm unboxing this together with the rest with all of you. This is nice. So this is, and I know what it is, but just wondering if you guys, just to keep some of you guys, if you can't recognize this, keep some of you guys in a bit of a suspense. This is wow, nice, very nicely wrapped, man. Okay. Very nicely wrapped. Confirm me. This is so seasoned E39 owners will probably recognize this piece by now. It's the cup holder. All right, so it's a spring-loaded cup holder. All right, as you can see from here. I think it goes this way. So this slots in under the rear aircon vent. Okay, so you can see this it's a what do you call it? It's spring loaded. So you just push this in. All right. Okay, so this inside here, okay, you can see the mechanism inside here. There's this gear, there are these gears in here. All right, a very delicate piece, plastic piece. It's definitely a nice addition to have. So you see down, I'm not sure if you can see it, but inside here is a spring, okay, that pushes the cup holder out. So as you push this in, okay, and then it snaps in place. There's something. So what holds it in place? Okay. So you see this part here, okay, this part here, this little wire here, very delicate. Okay, so as you push this in, okay, and then here, as this goes in, but it holds it there. Okay, so this is this thing, this bent wire here that holds the mechanism in place. Looks very assuring. 90s German engineering. So that's fine. Let's find time to install this into the car. Now I need to figure out which. Okay, so it's obvious that this is the upward direction. All right, so let's install this into the car. Okay guys, so both my E39s actually come with this tray here, and I'm actually doing this with both my daughters sitting with me in the car. So I watched a video on this YouTube channel, E39 Source. It's a very popular E39 resource channel. Okay, you guys should, any of you E39 owners or prospective E39 owners should go and check it out. So I watched that channel and saw how he taught us how to remove this. He said, which he describes this to be a difficult task at best, and with 2 kids to manage. All right, this is no joke. So the idea is that you have to press this upwards, okay, press this upwards and slowly ease it out. Okay, all right. So yeah, so I've got this out already. Oh, okay. Okay. So there are no clips per se holding the thing inside. So you have to pull this up. Up. Okay. Come down. Are you are. Okay, so it's eased out. So basically what I had to do just now is to push it slightly, okay, slightly deform this, and it slid out very nicely. So the inside of this is in relatively good condition. Okay, so all that's holding basically is just these fins here at the side, okay, that holds it in place in here. So now it's time to slide this in, and you can see that, you see this well, projection here. This is obviously to hold the cup holder in place. All right, it's supposed to clip this again, clip it against the panel. All right, so and here too, this obviously also to hold it against the top part of the well, just below the aircon vents. So I'm just going to slot it in. All right, and based on what I can see, okay, yes, so we're gonna have to push it in with a bit of force. Now the trick now is, ha! All right. So now I've got a pair of retracting cup holders for the E39, for my 520i. Interestingly enough, I've also got another one of these with my 525 that came with the previous owner that I have yet to install. But now that I have successfully completed it for this one, I'm just going to proceed to install it onto the other car as well.
Marvelous. Artificial intelligence skin